So guys, firstly I'll show you how to make a flower. For that I'm taking here a square shape. I'm folding it into a triangular shape and cut the extra edges. Now fold it into triangular shape again and fold it one more time. Totally we have to fold it 3 times. And now fold the sheet like this I'm doing in the video and cut the extra part. Now cut the sheet from the bottom side as well. And now open your flower. Now start curving the petals one by one. I have created some more. Now I am taking here a green rectangular sheet and I am making a stem using a toothpick. Fold the sheet like this. Secure the ends using glue. Now make your stem even by cutting the edges. Now I'll show you how to make the fringe flower. Take a rectangular shape and make fringes like this. Now wrap the fringe paper around the stem. Secure the ends using glue. And now open the fringes of the flower. And guys, if you want to learn how to make different types of fringe flowers, so please go and check video out in my channel. I have made video on that. And now we'll start assembling our flower. For that, just apply some glue around the fringe flower and insert your flower that we have created. And insert all the flowers that we have created. And now it's done. So guys, I have created some more flowers. So tell me in the comment section guys, how was today's tutorial, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.